अब बात करते हैं आपके नेक्स्ट शो के बारे में, विच वाज टूथ परी. ठीक है, तो एक हॉरर फैंटेसी शो आउट ऑफ योर जोन, जो अभी तक आपने जितना भी किया है काम, उससे बिल्कुल हट के काम था ये. हाउ डिड इट हैपन?
How did it happen? Why again auditions? रूमी के कैरेक्टर का मुझे श्रुति महाजन मैम का कॉल आया था कि there is this audition which is going to be fab and it's going to change things for you. And मैं कि हाँ मतलब, तो बोलते उन्होंने बोला कि it's we are making something in this fantasy, you know, like zone, like Twilight से एकदम अलग, but like we are Indianizing vampires. So can you imagine? And I have been fascinated by
And
the
still have
Twilight.
beautiful vampires.
What do you even mean? But
okay.
तो उन्होंने कहा कि we are bringing vampires to the Indian landscape, and we are trying to create this very mysterious fantasy वाला zone. So I think you should definitely audition for it. और रूमी था उस कैरेक्टर का नाम, तो मुझे एक तो वो रूमी नाम से ही सुन के प्यार हो गया था कि कितना सुंदर नाम है. और उसके बाद वो ऑडिशन आया, और मैं ऑडिशंस पढ़ रही हूँ, वो सीन पढ़ रही हूँ, and I couldn't relate to it. I was like कि ये क्या zone है, because
of course it's fantasy, no?
Exactly. तो वहाँ पे वो अपनी दोस्त के साथ, शीला के साथ गई हुई है. They've gone शिकार पे गए हैं वो लोग, और वो उसको बोल रही है अब उसका खून पीना बंद कर, वो मर जाएगा, और वो ये बातें कर रहे हैं. I'm like मैं इसमें कहाँ से कुछ भी अपना relatability लेके आऊँ? What does Tanya bring to it? And they're like कि you try and understand the character, don't understand the space right now because we'll create that space together. I'm like okay, ठीक है, cool. So now there's this very funky, cool ass vampire who's on the hunt, and she's with her friend, and they've got the prey, and now वो खून की बोतलें भर रहे हैं वहाँ पे. So it's like bartending for them. So it's like oh ठीक है, they're having fun, they're just girls, and so they loved what I had done with the scene, and they're like okay, we want you to have a call with the director, and then we can go through the script. So I spoke to Pratim sir again on a Zoom call, and sir is like, I really want you to read the script. And Sachi mein sir, when I'm saying ki I couldn't put that script down, it was so interesting. That whole thing that they had done with like vampires in Kolkata and unka jo underworld hai, where they live and everything. It was so cool. I was like, I hadn't imagined anything like that. Ki acha, theek hai, we can make them ours, and in such a in a very rustic manner. So I loved that, and I was like, okay, let's give it a try. So how did I prepare for that? I had absolutely, sir ne mujhe keh diya tha ki don't watch any vampire show because we are creating something very unique. I don't want to be that plain or that stereotypical ki vampires are bad, wo aise hi hote hain. They're going to be flamboyant. They're going to be beautiful to look at. You're going to want to be with them, which is how they hunt, because that is how vampires basically find their prey. Because they're so alluring that you can't help but fall for them. But at the same time, these monsters that we are creating are going to be so much more human than humans are. And that is what this show was about. How you don't need to be a human to be human. यहाँ पे सारे monsters की एक हम लोगों ने एक humanity दिखाई थी, but the humans that we were showing in the show had lost touch with their humanitarian side. So that I was so blown away by that constantly. Like
कोई ऐसा scene था which was like थोड़ा challenging for you?
Okay, so I have a real fear of underwater.
Okay.
So और Rumi, how she dies is she jumps into the water. And हमें वो shoot करना था, और उससे पहले मुझे scuba classes उन्होंने बोला कि you do scuba classes. And I was terrified. I remember my first day of scuba class. मैं एक ही कोने पे खड़ी रही थी, like मैं इससे आगे नहीं जाऊँगी.
कहाँ किया था ये classes?
बॉम्बे में ही.
बॉम्बे में.
And the instructors are very good. Obviously, they धीरे धीरे मुझे हाथ पकड़ के आप आओ हो जाएगा. And then over a period of time, वही जो भी एक हफ्ता वगैरह लिया उन्होंने, and क्योंकि it's not just you being underwater, it's about also acting. You're still acting अभी भी because the camera is going to be rolling. So मेरे साथ we were in our scuba costumes, और मेरे साथ करते थे कि सांस रोक के खड़े रहो. I remember one of the times I froze, and again I was like कि मुझसे नहीं होगा. I was hyperventilating कि because it was bringing back too many memories which I don't want to get into. But it was just like overcoming that fear, and obviously it's very essential to the story. So how do I put behind those fears and get into what is happening right now, the present, दैट आई थिंक वाज वेरी वेरी चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी। और हमने ये शूट किया था दिवाली के दिन।
Okay.
तो मुझे था कि यार मैं दिवाली भी नहीं सेलिब्रेट कर रही हूँ, मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ अपनी फैमिली से दूर, और मुझसे ये सीन करवा रहे हैं, बट द एंटायर टीम वाज देयर चीयरिंग कि गो रूमी यू गॉट दिस। और हमने किया, आई थिंक 2-3 टेक्स में हो गया था। I was like, अब मैं जिंदा हूँ।
Finally relieved.
Yeah, that was personally very challenging for me.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस फुल क्लिप, और मैं आपसे वादा करता हूं कि इसका फुल पॉडकास्ट भी देख के आपको काफ़ी मजा आने वाला है। लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन।